Hey there! If you're making content inside HubSpot, you need a lot of different ways in order to add graphics and different assets inside your content. What if I tell you that you can do this easily with Canva inside HubSpot? So, how can this be done? Let's see. So guys, in order to get started, firstly log into your HubSpot dashboard. Now that's very easy. Just use all of the details that you have for your HubSpot account and then click on the login button. Once you are done, you would be inside your HubSpot dashboard. Choose the proper account where you want to continue, and there you would be greeted by the dashboard. This is the new navigation. In case you haven't got it yet, yes, go to the beta, enable it. This will be rolling out soon for everybody else. And in case now you want to edit and add image content through Canva inside your HubSpot content, what you need to do is firstly go to content, maybe go to blog, and the process would be similar for page, blog post, or email using the classic email editor. And then here, click on edit. Once you click on edit over here, you can see that the blog post will load up. And what if I want to add an image but using Canva? I click on the blog post. Maybe I want to add the image here, somewhere around here. And maybe I click on this place. I want to insert an image here. Then I head over to the insert image button, and on the right side there are different options. For example, there's the option to upload, generate an image using AI. In the more section there is an option called as design with Canva. If I click here, I can select a template of my choice. Maybe I want an image which is a poster size image. I can click on continue, and now Canva will load up. I have to allow this cookie in order to proceed further. In case you are using any sort of blockers, please don't use them. Once you read the cookie policy, now you can click on allow this cookie, and you have to allow this cookie. And this is something which is needed in case you are using a browser with a lot of protections. And we can continue with Google, or we can continue with other options as well. I click on continue with Google. Maybe I use my official account in order to do this and sign into Canva. Once all of this is done, I'll be greeted by the design with Canva page. So now Canva is loaded up inside HubSpot. I don't need to open additional URLs or anything. And I chose the poster format. So maybe I choose a poster like this, very nice affirmation type of design. And I can choose the style only, or I can choose a lot of different things. So for example, I can choose to change the font. I can choose to change the graphics, etc. So once all of this is done, and once I have designed my image, I can click on save. And then you can pay or publish if it's a premium image. If it's a free image, you don't need to pay. And now you can save and publish. So we were using a premium element, so we had to pay. Otherwise, you can easily create a free image inside Canva and insert it into your content in HubSpot. So once the image is made, just wait a little bit for the image. And now the poster image is inserted inside our content in HubSpot. So guys, this process was very easy, and this is how you can insert an image with Canva, design with Canva inside HubSpot, and insert that image in your content right there in the editor. This is similar for a blog, this is similar for a post or page inside HubSpot, and this is similar for emails as well. And I hope you have an awesome time. So guys, I hope this was easy to follow, and in case you are still running into any sorts of troubles, or you need our help in order to add images to your content inside HubSpot, do let us know in the comment section below. In case you want our help in order to build something awesome of your own, which you have been thinking about since a long time, but you are postponing that project, please don't do that. And you can reach out to us for a free one-on-one consultation call via the QR code on the screen in front of you, or via the link in the pinned comment below. And I'll see you guys very soon in the next video.